And welcome to our bonus features segment. We're looking at the total electron content forecast, and we're seeing some significant GPS errors here, a little bit of chaos happening in the plasmasphere and indeed inner Van Allen belt. So this will show you where GPS errors are most likely to happen. While they're most likely to happen around the equator at noon, sometimes we see chaos occurring, as we do now, especially with coronal hole wind streams, low levels of electron flux. So what you were looking at there was the total electron content between your GPS satellite and your handset. Let's move on to the ionosphere. But first, charging hazards. We don't see any at the moment. And there's the electron flux over the past year. And there's the 3-day chart. And there's the forecast model. We're expecting an uptick in the electron flux. I would not tend to disagree with that NOAA forecast. So here's the ionosphere imagery. It's an animation here, courtesy Australian Government Bureau of Meteorology. Putting together a lot of measurements of the ionosphere. It's showing vibrational frequency. We're seeing quite a few anomalies here once again over places like Central Africa. We'll show you the anomalygram after it plays through. Here's the anomalygram showing anomaly in megahertz from the 30-day median. Quite a few low-frequency anomalies there and some wild shifts happening around the Central African continent once again. Here's the latest image. That's from 11:45 Universal Time. There's the ionogram, and there's the anomalygram. Let's blast through some more data. First, let's talk about our mission. You can read all about it at smashamash.com/forum. smashamash.com/forum/mission. Links on the homepage to that. Welcome to the Neo-Renaissance. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Please support the channels that you like, folks, because they may not be getting paid anything by YouTube or just this side of nothing to create the content that you like to see. If you'd like to see our content continue to exist, consider becoming a member of the Smash Team. smashamash.com/smash team. Links below the video and on the homepage to that. Here come additional bonus features. And this is the ground-based solar observatory at Udaipur, India. Just to show you some additional data sources here. Sunspots have mostly remained stable over the past 24 hours. And make sure you watch our previous videos. We've been putting out 3 daily space weather videos per day, as well as meteorology segments. So our typical day has been 4 videos recently. Smashamash.com for our links. YouTube.com/smashamash for our channel page. Let's take a close look here. We've got quite a few umbrae there. We could see some flaring from that. That's really 2 sunspot groups, folks. Over here, nothing. That is the most interesting sunspot currently. And this one is pretty significant too. So we're seeing quite a few umbrae there. And so lots of sunspots there. We've got probably something like 6 or 7 named groups at the moment. I'm not going to try to conjecture. But those are complex fields. Those are beta gamma class sunspots. This area down here does not have any umbrae yet. That's only a plage. Let's look at the NASA GOES 16 SUVI imagery with its great wide field of view. It's fantastic at showing prominences, and we see continued prominences up here in the northwest especially. There have been some coronal mass ejections. Watch our previous video to see those. Figure out whether they're on the far side of the sun or whether they're directed at your doorstep. We'll close out with some more SDO imagery. The most interesting portion of the sun at the moment is this northeastern limb with 2 quite complex groups having just risen a couple of days ago. Yowzers. 94 angstroms is a great wavelength to view solar flares. We'll close out with this composite 171 and 1700 angstroms. Thanks for tuning in once again, folks, and may that solar wind be at your back. Opinions expressed in this video, not necessarily the opinions of Smash News Network, Least Busted, Name and News.